It's like 1, 2, 3, just as easy as can be. Just the way you look at me, make me smile. Ain't no need to complicate it, we both know that's overrated. We've been there, it's safe to say it ain't our style. It's just that simple, S-I-M-P-L-E, simple as can be. It's just that simple, S-I-M-P-L-E, simple as can be. Hey everyone, it's Blaze Plays Guitar Lessons. Today we're going to learn how to play Simple, or S-I-M-P-L-E, by Florida Georgia Line. Alright, super easy song. Real quick, thanks to everyone who subscribed. To those of you who haven't, I'd ask that you do if you find this tutorial useful, and also you can get notified when I come out with new ones. Alright, so you can learn to play a bunch of new songs on guitar, because I come out with new tutorials every day. Alright, so real quick though, I want to know if you guys could let me know in the comments, would you prefer that I only teach country, or would you like me to also teach you how to play some other songs? Like I did a Post Malone song, I've done a couple like New Found Glory songs. Let me know if there's something other than country, or if you would just like me to do country, if you'd like me to do some older country. Just let me know in the comments like what you would like to see, okay? Because I want to play what you guys, I want to teach you guys to play what you want to learn, okay? So enough of that self-promotional and questioning stuff. All right, let's just get into it. All right, standard tuning, and you're gonna have a capo on the 3rd fret. Now, this song is awesome. It just plays the same chords over and over and over, and they are in the same order over and over. So it's super easy, okay? And the strumming pattern is the same as well. All right, so the chord progression is going to be A minor. All right, and then C. And then F. Now for F, you can do it this way, all right, but it's going to be a very easy transition, is going from that C. So you just put your pinky on the 4th fret on the D string, and move your middle finger back to the, sorry, that's the 3rd fret. I apologize, the 3rd fret on the D string, and then you're going to put your middle finger on the 2nd fret in relation to the capo on the G string, okay? And you're going to leave your pointer finger on there for all of them except for G, okay? So that's a very easy transition. It's a little bit of a different F, but we're going to call it F for this, okay? So you can play that F. You can do it this way if you prefer. It's just most people have a harder time barring and stuff. And this one's, it's so easy to go from C to that F, all right? And then you're also going to use G. And I think it's a lot easier if you do this G instead of this G. The reason being, you're going to switch from C to G. So it's just very easy to do that, okay? So the way that this song starts is you're just going to go A minor, C, F, C, F, C, G. Okay? And that's how the whole song goes. So you're going to play it through once for the intro, and then you'll go into the verse. But it's just so it's going to be. So just like that. All right, so now the strumming pattern is going to be down, down, up, down, down, up, 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 down, up. Okay, so it's just down, down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down. So it's just that down, down, up, down, 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 up, okay? So you're going to kind of play it, not all the way through each time per chord, but close. It's going to be down, down, up, down. But yeah, it is pretty much per chord. You're going to do that. Down, down, up, down, down, up, down, down, up, down, up, okay? So, and remember, throughout the entire song, it's A minor, C, F, C, F, C, G. Okay, that's the entire song. So I'm going to walk you through the first verse and then the chorus once, and we'll do it. So you're going to start with A minor. So it's the way your fingers fit in mine. It's 5 + 5, not rocket science. This day and time, it's hard to find. It's true. So true is G. Now you're going to go to A minor. The road we're on in a traffic jam. It's a Sunday drive on a piece of land. It's a paradise as long as I'm with you. It's like 1, 2, 3, just as easy as can be. Just the way you look at me, make me smile. Ain't no need to complicate it, we both know that's overrated. We've been there, it's safe to say it ain't our style. It's just that simple. Okay, so you probably don't need me to go through the entire chorus, but I'm just going to strum it one time for you, and we're just telling you what chords we're doing. Okay, so it's A minor, C, F, C, F, C, G. So on G you're going to do down, down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, up. So on G you're going to play it twice. That down, down, up, down, up. Okay. Whereas the other ones you're just typically doing it once. Down, down, up, down, up, down, down, up. Okay. So that's the whole song. Let me know if you guys have any questions. Yeah, and please answer my poll that I was asking about, because I really want to know like what kind of songs you guys would like me to teach you next. So anyway, yeah, also if you have any requests, please let me know. All right, so it's been a lot of fun. It's been real. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you guys next time.